In this video, I'm going to show you how to round edges in Blender. I'm just going to demonstrate with the default cube. So after selecting the object, just press Tab key on your keyboard and go to the edit mode. Just go to the top left and just click on select edge, and from here you can just click on select edge like so, and your edge will be selected. And now at the left hand side, go to the bevel tab and just click on it, and once that the bevel tab is clicked, you will see a handle appear. Just drag the handle like so, and without leaving the left key, scroll your mouse up like so, and once you scroll your mouse, you will see our corner will be successfully rounded. You can also do it for the whole cube itself. So I'll just select the cube by pressing A on my keyboard and just drag the handle like so and scroll my mouse, and you will see the corner will be successfully rounded like so. And that's it. You have successfully rounded edges in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.